Very good morning to all. Today is second day of the Internet of Things workshop, Internet of Things and its applications. We just wait for 2 more minutes so that the participants can able to join this live session. Today we gonna see the application of an IoT, that is a smart home. So first, let me know what is a smart. Smart means any device or a machine which has a capability of taking input, processing the input, and it sends as the output. Such type of device is called as smart device. Smart means which has a capability of to take input, to process, and to output. So this is the home. In home we have things like these things. We have a different rooms like kitchen, a living room, bedroom, bathroom. In each and every room we have a things like plate, knife, spoon, fork, glass, cupboard, oven, sink, dishwasher, fridge, pan, frying pan, kettle, spatula, toaster in a kitchen room. Similarly, in a bedroom, like a picture, chair, desk, lamp, pillow, sheet, blanket, alarm clock, night table, and etc. Even in bathroom as well, mirror, towel, bathtub, etc. In living room, we have ceiling lamp, picture frame, sofa, side table, armchair, curtain, etc. etc. So this is the things we find in a home. So how we can make a smart home with these things means, here from each and everything we trying to extracting the data. So we have a smart means capability of putting a device or a way that a thing can able to take input, process, and sends the output. So that's how that capability we putting in the things. For example, it may be a fan. We put a smartness to the fan, that will become a smart fan. We put a smartness to the chair, that become a smart chair. We put a smartness to the table, that will become a smart table. Like that, the smartness integrating into the things, that's how it becomes the smart home. Simply, things in a home, we need to put a capability of smart. That is, anything can able to take input, process, and sends the output. Now, these things can be managed with the help of mobile phone for remote controlling and remote monitoring the things. How the phone is connected to the things means with the help of your Wi-Fi technology. With the Wi-Fi technology, we embed the Wi-Fi chip inside the things so that the chip can be communicated to the Wi-Fi with the help of a mobile phone. So the mobile phone remotely from any place, any remote place, we can able to switch on and switch off, or we can able to monitor it out. And similarly, whatever we monitor or whatever we check, whatever the data that comes from the things will be stored in a cloud. So every data that coming from the things will stored in a cloud. This how the whole smart home will works. This is an example picture. In a home we have a different things like light, refrigerator, etc., etc. The things will be connected with the help of a Wi-Fi technology, and that can be remotely monitored and controlled with the help of a mobile phone. This is an application with the help of an Internet of Things technology. So why we need to go for this smart home? What is the useful? These things we with the help of a smart home we can able to control remotely, we can monitor remotely energy consumption, we can able to analyze the each and every home, how they power consuming, etc., and we can take the decisions with the help of that things. Let me play one video that which demonstrate the energy consumption. This is a video that taken from the YouTube.
Today's enterprises, targets, and operation costs are all of which lead to several compelling reasons why you should monitor and control your energy consumption. However, businesses face challenges with energy management in the form of legacy and proprietary systems. Technology can not only help you overcome these hurdles, but with the power of analytics, it can also identify your key energy consumers, highlight energy wastage, and give you predictability of demand so that you can achieve real savings. Leveraging the concept of cognitive modeling and IoT, Tata Consultancy Services has designed the TCS Smart Energy Solution that gives you an enterprise-wide consolidated view into your energy consumption and enables you to take informed decisions, new consumption patterns, outages, and new weather and occupancy patterns without human intervention. Tata Consultancy Services has already set an example in the industry, with more than 100 different sites spread across the entire geography of India, some of them more than 40 years old, 10,000 plus IoT sensors, and more than 1 million observations a day. The TCS Smart Energy Solution has helped TCS realize 10% savings in its energy use in the first 11 months of its deployment. And this entire setup is being monitored, managed and controlled centrally from the Remote Energy Management Center in TCS Kochi. The convergence between energy and digital technology is paving the way for a new ecosystem of services in smart enterprises, smart manufacturing, and smart cities. Giving you real-time insights, centralized operations control, and predictive analytics, the TCS Smart Energy Solution, backed by our cross-industry expertise and domain experience, is all that you need to achieve and exceed your energy goals, achieve real savings, and have a future-fit workplace. Digitize your energy management and reimagine your operations with TCS Smart Energy Solution.
Well, this is a video that which demonstrates the energy consumption with the help of an IoT. Now let me say how to do this smart energy management.
Today's energy and utility companies are part of a changing landscape. Customers expect the delivery of safe, reliable, affordable, and sustainable energy, despite declining budgets for operations and maintenance and an aging asset base. Energy and utility companies understand that data is a key to adapting to change. These companies have a wealth of data available to them, but it is often locked in siloed systems or it is in unstructured formats. To unlock the value hidden in this data, energy and utility companies are turning to advanced analytics. With this approach, organizations can experience increased agility and responsiveness, reduced operational costs, and improved asset reliability. IBM IoT for Energy and Utilities is a platform for enterprise-wide data and analytic integration. It is scalable, extensible, and integrates disparate data sources and analytic applications to add layers of business value. As analytics from various silos are pulled into one place, companies gain the ability to understand the interrelated impact of their business decisions. For utility maintenance and operations organizations, having added layers of information means they can assess risks before equipment breaks and fix what really needs fixing. IBM IoT for Energy and Utilities delivers built-in analytic applications, including asset health and risk, predictive maintenance, and situational awareness. And it provides the capability for energy and utility companies to customize and combine additional analytic algorithms. The result is a single view of analytics across the enterprise and a foundation for an advanced analytics roadmap to enrich business outcomes. The IBM IoT for Energy and Utilities solution can turn your business challenges into valuable opportunities.
So this is the some of the example videos that which will demonstrate the energy consumption. Now let me see how we can able to build this one. Let me say with the help of one example case study. So, who coined the term IoT means Kevin Ashton. Kevin Ashton, a person who coined the term at 1999. He is the person who coined the term IoT in the year 1999. He is actually the management person where he can able to connect the where he has connected the things with the help of an RFID and with the help of a one system he can able to check where particular products is there in and around the garden. This is the technology behind the IoT. Actually this person has a big garden. Inside a garden he has different things, but he is unable to trace the thing where particular thing is there. So to trace the particular thing, he just embedded a RFID to each and every thing inside the big garden, so that with the help of that RFID he can able to track every product inside the garden remotely from one place. And he has written an article and phrased the phrase as Internet of Things, when means in 1999. His name is Kevin Ashton. But why in 1999 itself IoT is there, but why now every people coming to IoT means nowadays the data rate becomes very cheaper and the mobile phone becomes very cheaper, and we have a things nanotechnology. We can able to build the processor. It will come on the fingers, so less size. As now the nanotechnology comes into the picture, the all electronic components become very less. That's how the IoT comes into the pictures. So where we can able to store the whole the data, where we can able to store this whole data means in the cloud. One of the example for the cloud is ThingSpeak. So this is a platform where we can able to store the data that coming from the things to the internet. Similarly, like ThingSpeak, we have one more cloud platform called UB.Dots. So, IBM's cloud, etc., etc. We have many other clouds as well. But coming to this ThingSpeak cloud, we can able to connect the things with freely, or we have different options. Based upon our requirement, we can able to think it out. Now we say we have seen what is a smart and what is a home and what is a smart home and what is the use and what is the necessity of that smart home. Now we will see how to make a smart home. For example, in this case today I have taken one smart chair to demonstrate the things. As I said, in a home we have different things. Now I am considering a thing called smart chair. So how this smart chair can be connected to the internet means we will demonstrate here. In this scenario, I am taking that I require a smart chair. In the smart chair where I want to know weight on it. Similarly, whereas we can apply the same technology to any other thing, like a curtain, like a table, light, fan, etc., etc. For anything, the same scenario can be taken. Whereas in the place of chair, we will replace a table or a light or a fan, etc. So I have taken one chair. I want to make this as a smart chair. This is one of the thing in the smart home, and I want to know the weight on this table. So how I want to control this one means with the help of a Wi-Fi technology. I want to monitor the weight on the table remotely. So the way how human being can sense, in the similar way we can do it out. How the human being can sense, they as well can take with the help of sensors, sense organs, brain. How the input will be, how the human being can take input with the help of a sense organs, by seeing with our eyes or by seeing with our by touching with our hand, by sensing skin, by hearing the noise, smelling. Like that we have different sensors. So input can be taken with the help of a sense, as I said in yesterday's video. So we have seeing sensors, touching sensors, listening sensors, etc., etc. So based upon the sensors, this table can able to take the input, and we have a processing. How we can process? We have a brain. So as human being has a brain, we can able to process it out after seeing some object or after listening to some sound. Similarly, we need to put a processing picture inside the table. Then how we can react? We can react with it by speaking or shaking the hands or nodding the head and walking, running with the help of a legs. So I am putting the brain for the chair. This is the brain. That is the microcontroller or the microprocessor. Here, how we will do the processing means that may be a microcontroller or microprocessor. With the help of these things, we can do the computations, processing. And here I want to take the input. What is my objective? My objective is to know the weight on the chair. So how I can know weight on the chair? I am just putting the input, that is the sensor, to know the weight sensor. So this is the weight sensor. I am putting below the chair so that it can able to detect the weight on the chair. And I want to get the alarm. How actuations? How I know that threshold value, maximum weight was reached on the table means I will take the buzzer sound. If the weight placed on the table is more than the sufficient means automatically the buzzer will rings continuously. This how here the input is a weighting sensor and the output is a buzzer, and here processor is a microcontroller. This is how for anything we can able to put these three things. Now I want to take this data to the cloud and I want to control remotely and I want to monitor it with the help of a mobile phone. So I am using a Wi-Fi connectivity. I will put a Wi-Fi connectivity into the chair so that in a mobile phone I have a Wi-Fi. I can able to connect these things. This is how we can able to build any smart things. So that smart things in your office will become as a smart home. The things in a office will become a smart office, whereas the things in a home it becomes a smart home, etc., etc. Even we can able to predict the life of the wall as well with the help of a structural health, etc. And similar like these applications. Today's class we have seen about a smart home. How really we can able to build a smart home. In tomorrow's video and tomorrow's lecture we will see about the some other applications, how we can do with the help of an Internet of Things technology. So this is how the cloud, all the data will go to the cloud. So if you have any questions in this video, you can able to send me a comment or you can send me a mail. And the same day tomorrow morning at 10:30 we will come to the third day session with different application of an IoT applications which running in the thing. And for to join the tomorrow video session, subscribe to this same channel Vikram Nirgatti and you click on the bell icon so that whenever I come on the live you will come as a notification icon. Still you feeling doubt regarding this, you watch the video twice, and to know the basics of IoT you see the previous video so that you will come to know it out. Up to now we have any queries, doubts, please leave the comment. If you want to check the video, see my video link, and if you want to still register somebody, you can check the description of this video. Thank you.